Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the LG dryer moisture sensor bar. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new moisture sensor bar. The moisture sensor bar is located just inside the dryer door, mounted on the grill cover. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's corroded or damaged and not sending the signal up to the board and your auto dry doesn't work. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dryer door. Once you have the door open, you can pull the lint screen out and set it out of the way. Then we can reach in with our Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws that holds the grill in. Once you have all three screws out, then you can snap the grill cover off the bulkhead and pull it out of the dryer. Now that we have the grill out of the way, we can take out the two screws that holds in the moisture sensor holder. On this assembly there's two white wires, so it doesn't matter which one goes where. To get these off, all you have to do is carefully pull them off. Once you have them released, you can get this other screw out, and then we can pull this assembly out of the dryer. Here's the moisture sensor holder. There are two moisture sensors. They're both the same. They're sold individually, so if you need to replace both, make sure you order two. In order to get them out, we have to turn it over. And we're going to take a small flathead screwdriver and press this little tab right here in order to be able to push it down out of the holder. Once you get it started, you can turn it over and then come from the other side and use this screwdriver to kind of pry it out. Here's the old moisture sensor bar next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you put the new moisture sensor bar in, you want to take a little brush and clean all the dirt out of the groove. Once you have it cleaned up, the moisture sensor bar goes in just like we took it out. The first end goes into this side, and then you can push it down and line up the other end and push it through. Once you have it pushed all the way in and flush and the locking tab is on this side, we can put it back into the dryer. To put the assembly back in, we're going to reconnect the wires to the moisture sensors. Remember, it doesn't matter where they go, just make sure you push them on all the way so you get a good connection. Then we can set the assembly into place, line up the screw holes. When you're putting the screws back in to hold the moisture sensor in, there's a big one and a small one. The small one was the one that went up by the wires, so make sure you put it in the right spot. And it is kind of hard to get past the wires, so we're going to put it into the bracket first and then move the bracket into place and line it up with the screw hole and tighten it down. Once you have the upper one tightened down, we can put the one in on the other end. Now that we have the moisture sensor assembly mounted, we can put the grill cover back in. All you have to do is set it down into place and snap each end in. Just line up the tabs and push them in. Once you have both ends in, then we can grab our Phillips screwdriver and put the screws in to hold it all together. Now that we have the grill installed, we can grab the dryer lint screen and put it back in. Once you have the part installed, you can close the dryer door, plug the dryer back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.